Hey, this is Jack from Alpha Charts with a stocks to watch video. Today is December 11th, 2022. Before we get started, this video is for educational purposes only. These are not recommendations to buy, sell, or hold any stock or security. And I may hold positions in some of the equities mentioned. Know your time frame and risk tolerance. All right, so we are going to start with the SPX, but before we do that, just so you know, today I am using the TrendSpider charting platform. And one of the things that's kind of neat about TrendSpider is that they let you do a couple different views of your charts. And so this is a 4x4 grid, and you could change it to whatever you want, however many you want, up to 4x4. But I like to do the I like to look at all the largest cap, mega cap names in this type of grid, and it kind of gives you a really good sense of what is going on in the market, right? Obviously, there's your 200-day moving average in red, and so you could see how defensive names like Procter and Gamble are doing pretty good, and you could definitely see how things like Amazon and Google and Microsoft and Apple, not so much. There's Tesla, right? But United Healthcare, again, another defensive type name, doing well in this market. Anyway, so that's something neat that TrendSpider offers. If you're interested in TrendSpider, they are running a big sale. I tweeted this out, I think, yesterday, retweeted today. I also have a link down below if you're interested. It's 60% off right now. Again, if you're looking for charting software, it's going to change by the end of the week to less percentage off. But if you're looking for it, I don't know if they may give you a test drive or you may have to pay for it. I don't know, however it works. That's between you and them. But this is the software I'm using today. So there you go. All right, let's get to the charts. SPX. Again, this trend line, everybody has it on their charts at this point, right? And it got rejected. 200-day moving average still declining, price below it. This is a cautious market. That being said, let's go over some names that are holding up well that I think we should keep on our watch list, right? The first one is Toast, right? So there's Toast. Again, just a watch list name, but overall looking really, really strong. We're going to go through these quick because I don't plan on buying anything this week because I want to see what happens with price action. And so again, these are just watch list type names. Here is Shift 4 Payment. Again, very strong. Love how these are bunching up. CN. There you go. Sienna Corp, nice gap up on earnings, I believe. So that looks really good right there. MBLY, Mobileye, newer name. Still hasn't made really an IPO base. And I'm going to make these are some new kind of new stuff in there that I had noticed, but I like the VWAP from the IPO. That's what I just did there. Mobileye, there you go. ALNY. Pharmaceutical company. Again, looks pretty good versus this general area. What else? Flex. We've talked about this one in the past. Needs to consolidate some, but looks really good. FUTU, one we haven't talked about in a while, but broke out of this general area, and it was off to the races. You can see it's been a while since we've actually looked at it. And this would have been a great time to be involved right around here, but it is what it is. Look for the next opportunity. TH, kind of trying to break out, and maybe it needs a little bit more time, maybe not. We'll just keep watching it. Sell H, everyone I think watches this one, and it looks just like that. Again, trying to break out and move higher. That 100 level is holding, which is nice. What else? ASX, some technology / semiconductor type names. Looking good. Nice little flaggy area coming up here. LSCC. Getting a little choppy in there, but overall looks pretty good. ALGM. Nice strong uptrend, right? What more can we want? Looks good. ASML. Higher price name, but nice consolidation. A lot of these chip names are looking decent. MLCO. It's a resorts and entertainment. Overall, looks pretty good. Look how vertical this is, right? Like, not the time to buy. The time to buy was, maybe the breakout of here, $8. Now it needs some more time. CRDO. We've been watching this one for a while. Kind of came back, pulled back, newer IPO name, which is kind of nice. Needs to kind of complete this base, right? It is working on the right side of a base. And if it could break out, this would be a pretty sweet base. So definitely keep CRDO on your watch list. LTH. This is Lifetime Holding Group. I think they do assisted living facilities and that kind of stuff, getting above the 200-day. So strong looking in there. Chewy. Some retail and internet retail is starting to show up. Again, trying to make higher lows and turn the corner. And we're starting to see the moving averages, again, act constructively. That's Chewy. HZNP. There we go. Again, strong move, kind of now flagging, letting these moving averages catch up. Looks great. EVER. Moving higher out of this area right there. Maybe the bigger area is technically right here, right? Maybe that's the bigger area that we got to watch for. Again, extended, a little bit extended right there. Next up is MTSI. Back to some technology type names. And you can see, a nice little kind of flaggy type thing building out here. Maybe needs to turn around and make a right side over here. But overall, it looks really good. RPM is in this. It is looking pretty good, right? Let me go ahead and do that. Looks very, very nice right there. JBL. Same idea. Again, into supply. Not the place I want to be buying it, but I do want to watch these types of names. STM. Again, hasn't quite broken out yet, but acting constructively. And the last one is RXDX. And again, giant move, needs obviously more time, but one I want to pay attention to and watch. Okay. So there we go. There was, I don't know, a bunch of names. Just be careful this week. The weight of the market, you look at the Qs, it's looking, kind of rough as well. So the weight of the market may hold some of these stocks down, but they're all holding up better relative to the overall market. And so when the pressure does alleviate off of this market, we can then potentially make some money, right? That's the goal, making money. So I hope you all have a good week. Stay safe out there. Hope you're enjoying holidays. It's December, so you could chillax. Again, if you're looking for the charting software, I will link down below. If not, go to my Twitter page at AlphaCharts365. And you can go there and just click the link right there as well. So there you go. Again, hope you all have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.